Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today we're going to check what exchanges have the lowest withdrawal fees. I'm going to show you a cool website that compares fees on different exchanges so we can figure out which exchanges have the lowest fees, and then we can just send our crypto there and trade over there or sell our cryptos there for fiat currencies or USDT or anything else we want to do. So let's start. The website I've mentioned is called withdrawalfees.com, and once we get to this website, we will have a list of all the coins over here. And if we want to figure out, for example, what are withdrawal fees for Bitcoin on different exchanges, we would just click on Bitcoin over here. Or we can also type it in the right top corner over here in the search box. And once Bitcoin opens, we can see that it's on 65 exchanges, for example, at least on this website. And then over here we will see withdrawal fee and then minimum withdrawal amount. So when it comes to Bitcoin, we can check on which exchanges, how much does it cost. For example, on ChangeNow it's free, Coinbase Pro it's free, and so on and so on. And of course this amount will change, depends on the price of Bitcoin. So for example, Mercatox is $3, Binance $4.7, and so on and so on. We can check all the fees from all the exchanges here. As we can see, the highest fee right now is on HitBTC, Coinon and Gemini. And of course, if you want to try and check any other currency and withdrawal fees over there, all you have to do is type it up here in this box. So let's say we want to check KNC, which is Kyber Network. So we would click on it, and then we have a list of exchanges that have KNC and the price of withdrawal. So as you can see over here, Binance $3, KuCoin 3.36, and so on and so on. Another thing that we can change over here is exchanges. So we can just click over here on exchanges, or we can search for exchange up here, and then it will show us a list of exchanges and how many coins are listed on this exchange. So once we click on the exchange, we will be able to check what are the withdrawal fees on these exchanges. So you can find exchange on the list over here if you want, or you can simply type in the name of the exchange here. Let's say I'm gonna type BitMax, and as we can see, there is BitMax exchange here. So we click over here, and it will show us all of the assets, all of the coins from BitMax, as you can see. And then we've got a withdrawal fee, best in market, market average, so on other exchanges in average, how much does the withdrawal fee cost, with how many exchanges this asset was compared, and what is the minimum withdrawal amount on this exchange. So as we can see over here, for example, USDT withdrawal is free, XLM is less than 1 cent, and so on and so on. So as we can see on BitMax, for example, the withdrawal fees are pretty low. Of course, it depends on the asset, because if we scroll down to some assets that are not that popular yet, the withdrawal fee may be higher, like $14 for Morpheus, Phantom $13. That's because those cryptocurrencies are maybe brand new, or maybe new on this exchange, or maybe have low volume, and that causes the withdrawal fee price to be higher. However, the prices get updated from time to time. For example, recently the price to withdraw swap from BitMax was around $35, and that was caused because swap token went from $7 to $50 in a few days, and because of that, of course, the withdrawal fees have to be adjusted, so they lowered the withdrawal fees to be only $4. Have that in mind, that the fees may change over time, they may be updated, depends on how the coin performs. So that's it for today. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think about this website? Do you find it useful to be able to compare fees on different exchanges? And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.